I spent the majority of my day in Framingham, Massachusetts. Our first train that we see here today is Amtrak 449, with P42 DC number 110 leading. It looks farther through a lens, but the gates go down quite late. Only a few minutes have passed and up came an MBTA out of its station stop in Framingham. About 5 minutes pass, and MBTA 2507 shows its headlights around the corner. It had MBTX, MPI, HSP 46, number 2005 leading the train. Notice the burnt out ditch light as it approaches the crossing. We then drove down the CSX's Nevins Yard, where an SD40 and a GP40 sat, crewless. This would end my day in Framingham. Join me again when I head back out to Worcester, Massachusetts, and catch some awesome MBTA and CSX freight trains.